ROCHobby is at it again. These guys are pumping out a ton of really cool small scale crawlers, and this latest edition is no exception. Check it out, it's a tiny Unimog. Well, not really a Unimog. They call it the Mogrich because they don't have the licensing, but nonetheless, it's got a lot of really cool details on here, with the exception of one thing. It's missing one thing. Can you see what it is? I'm not gonna tell you what it is just yet. That's gonna be for later in the video, but right now, let's go over what this little rig has to offer. So if you're a Unimog fan, I think this 1/18 scale 4-wheel drive electric crawler is really going to interest you. They put a lot of great detail into this model kit, and it comes almost completely ready to run. All you need for it is 4 AAA batteries. Here's the radio system that it comes with. It even has little lights on the front of it, and you can control the LED lights for the truck through the buttons under the panel up top. It's actually pretty comfortable to use. And then over here we have the USB charger that comes with, and a cross wrench in case you need to take off the wheels, manual, and then a little registration card, I believe here. At the very least, it's a cool little collector's card. And then here is the truck itself. This thing looks absolutely awesome. I've already turned it on for you. The battery is already installed on the inside. You just have to plug it in, actually charge it, and then plug it in. There it is right there underneath the opening hood. There's your electronics package. There's the on-off switch right there. But love the LED lights that come with this. There's even side marker lights here. We've got the fog lights. And now I need to talk to you guys about the one major missing detail. It's got utility lenses on the top, but no LED lights in there. What's up with that? That would have just taken this kit over the top. But they do have LED lights out back. The only thing is you only see them when you put the car in reverse. So watch this. There we go, a little reverse action. Kind of odd to have red reversing lights, but maybe you could switch the plugs on the receiver. I haven't really explored that yet. But back to the body here, love all the details on the outside. We've got, you know, the vents, we've got panels on the tailgate here that fold down. All 3 of these actually fold down. And Greg, you need to go from the rear panel first, and then you could open the sides. There we go, check that out, looks pretty cool. You can go carry some small pieces of wood or maybe some rocks in the back of that thing for your scale adventures. Moving back to the cab, there's even little door handles, full interior with a dashboard and decals on the gauge cluster, steering wheel, and that's really about it. We got a snorkel over here on the side, like the front fenders sticking out just a little bit, side steps, fuel tank. Pretty neat looking front bumper on this, very Unimog like. And let me just show you guys the rear of it really quick. Not much happening out back other than the fenders. We've got these drop lights here, but they nailed it. This is a really cool looking rig, and it actually has a shorter wheelbase. If you are familiar with the ROCHobby or FMS cars, you'll instantly notice that they have a shorter metal frame on this one, very short links, short stubby drive shafts, but it still has those same axles complete with ball bearings, CV universals up front. We got the center mounted transmission with the small motor to power it. And again, I showed you guys the electronics board up under the hood. We've got a small servo up front for the steering. And this is a pretty stout system that we've seen on their other rigs. We know it works well. The only thing that we always complain about on these are the shocks on this. This thing is very bouncy, just like the other FMS and ROCHobby vehicles. But you just gotta flip that camera over to slow motion when you're taking your videos, and it actually looks kind of neat. Check out the wheels and tires on here. Love the red rims. And then we've got these Chevron style off-road all-terrain tires. Just a great looking rig overall. All right, let's take it out and just have a little crawling fun with the Mogrich. All right, so that was a lot of fun. 2 locations in one day. Luckily, I have a lot of battery packs for these small scale cars. Just had a blast driving the Mogrich. With the shorter wheelbase and the taller CG, it's kind of a little edgy, but it's pretty capable. And then with the larger tires on here, it just goes over whatever it wants. Even in that little stream, it was kind of bogging through all those sticks and stuff like that. I was pretty impressed with what it was capable of doing. But this is a fun car. If you're looking for a Unimog or a Unimog fan, this is definitely a great working model to check out. And if you like scale detailing your rigs, weathering them and stuff like that, this is probably a great base for a project. The only thing I didn't like about this, beyond them not including the LEDs for the utility lights up top, was the hood kept opening on me. And sometimes the battery would even work its way out. So that's something that needs to be addressed somehow, some way. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. If you have a suggestion, let me know in the comments below. But definitely a fun rig from ROCHobby. I will have links in the video description for you. You know the drill, guys. Hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell. Throw the video a like. Let me know what you think about it overall in the comments section below. And if you like crawlers, we'll see you back soon because I've got more coming.